This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As we begin the month of June here, we are seeing some stocks that have been on fire over the last couple of weeks, last couple of months. In this video, I'm going to take a look at two stocks. The first one is FVRR, and the other one that we're going to take a look at is FSLY. Now, there's nothing as awesome, I guess, when it comes to trading as owning momentum in whatever direction that you're looking to gain profits from. Now here we can see this has been a very desirable period in the stock, an amazing move, and this move began with a breakout somewhere around here on the weekly chart. Now, let me just get to the point here. All of this were timely entries for paid Muathe.com subscribers, my personal paid website. As you know, we can see here, if you take a look at the minimum requirements, when that breakout took place, we can see clearly that the RSI moved to 3-year highs. Remember, for an IPO, it's the same minimum requirements. And what you need to see for an IPO is take the most mature time frame where we have the RSI and MACDs and use that using the same requirements. And again, we can see here when that breakout was taking place, one, if not both of the MACDs were moving to 3-year high. So definitely this was a desirable candidate because it met the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. And as you can see here, the stock was mentioned for paid subscribers on April 16th when it was moving above the breakout level of, I believe, was 33, somewhere on there. So this breakout that I just did show is the breakout that we were capturing. And since then, of course, we can see that the market has chosen to respond to capturing even more momentum as the stock continues moving higher. Now, I know most of you don't have time to do the research, and that is why websites like mine come in play. Now, let's take a look at FLSY, and we can see again the stock was mentioned on May 7th as it broke out above the 31.60 area. And here it is, of course. And I should add, this was one that received a star, meaning that it was looking best from the list that was provided that day, or one of the best based on its chart. Now, the ultimate Muathe breakout is going to be explained in the description of this video. Of course, you're going to find more detailed videos in my paid website. But take a look here. We can see as it moved above this weekly closing high, even though it seemed extended at the time, but because it met the minimum requirements, we can see here that the RSI moved above and went to 3-year highs. We can also see that was confirmed with the MACDs breaking out to 3-year highs at the minimum. This was a desirable looking instrument, and of course the results have been good. So the ultimate Muathe breakout is a method I have used going back almost 20 years, and this method does deliver. I don't know of any other momentum method other than this one when it comes to capturing the potential upside in any instrument showing some signs of new legs, new life. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS. Namaste.